Meanwhile, Governor of Lagos State Babajide Sanwo-Olu says his administration is committed to fair, friendly tax reform compliance. Mr. Sanwo-Olu stated this at the Tax Reform Summit, which held in Lagos. More in this report.
Nigeria has recently undergone a major tax overhaul with the signing of 4 tax reform acts into law on June 26, 2025, which will largely take effect from January 1, 2026. But as Nigerians prepare for the full implementation of the laws, mixed reactions have continued to trail some aspects of the law. This has prompted the Lagos State government, other players and the Revenue and Treasury Office of the state to create this platform to better educate Nigerians on what is expected in 2026.
Lagos State operates within a national fiscal framework, and we are fully aligned with the ongoing tax reform agenda of our dear President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, who seeks to simplify Nigeria's tax laws, to reduce its multiplicity, its plan to strengthen administration and modernize revenue collection through technology and data gathering. We believe these reforms are designed at the end of the day to create a system that will support strong economic growth while ensuring that there is fairness, there's a lot of predictability, and there is improved compliance.
At its core, this summit seeks to demystify revenue and taxation reforms for the ordinary citizen. The man on the street, tax reform is not intended to be ambiguous, cumbersome, or contradictory. Rather, it is designed to simplify processes, eliminate multiple and overlapping collections, and clearly delineate what should be collected by the state and what should be collected by local governments.
Speakers agreed that the new tax law as instituted by President Bola Tinubu remains bold, intentional and transformative. They say no nation can achieve sustainable development without a fair, efficient and credible revenue system.
Fiscal reform is no longer optional, it is essential. This tax reform is not about raising rates. It is about fixing what is broken with our tax system. And nowhere is this more important than at the subnational level, where government meets citizens most directly. Why is it important at the subnational level? Nigeria's fiscal challenge is not that we do not have adequate taxes. In fact, there are too many of them, and we administer them inefficiently.
The enactment of the Nigeria Tax Act 2025 and related reform laws, alongside recent constitutional clarifications, represents a defining moment for subnational governments. These reforms provide clearer delineation of powers, revenue lines, and administrative responsibilities across the federal, state, and local government.
The summit, hosted jointly by the Office of the Special Advisor on Taxation and Revenue and the State Treasury Office, was themed Tax Reform Summit, the Lagos Implementation Roadmap.
Now, investors at the stock market are hopeful they will enjoy bountiful dividends on their investments during this Christmas. Traders and market participants look to Santa Claus rally before ending the year. If you get up reports, Ikechukwu Beni will be back here for sports news.
Last market trading before Christmas maintained the upward swing as stock prices climbed market ladder. There has been expectation of Mr. Santa Claus visiting our NGX exchange before the end of the year. Indications are there that investors will smile to their banks. We have had a market growth rate of nearly 50% between January and now. The total market cap, which is the monetary value of securities quoted at the exchange, hit nearly 97 trillion naira, while year-to-date index has gone up about 400%. Wednesday's trade index was up by 0.12%, showing growing rate of price appreciation. Beer maker Guinness took the front line among price gainers while drawing other top traders. The business losers included Legend Internet, Mansard Insurance, Jayes Bank, MCN Nigeria, and NEM Insurance. Stock traders are hopeful for right prices and good dividends on investments. Effiong Ekop TVC News, Lagos.